Hello, this is Zeno Tech Perfect. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download code blocks for Windows 10. Let's get started. So first, we go to the website. It's called codeblocks.org/downloads. You just write it in the address bar and click enter. And yeah, you should be directed to this web page. And once you are in here, you can download. So you can download the source code, but this is for developers, but we just want to download it for using. So we download the binary release. And in this web page, you see three things. Three operation systems: Windows, Linux, Ubuntu also, and Mac OS X. So for now, we just want to download for Windows 10. And this is what you should do. So we pick the latest version, and if you have a computer of 32-bit, you should download this one here. And if you have a normal 64 bits, you can download this one. So you choose either FuzzHub or SysForge.net, which I prefer. And here it should start downloading. And now it's almost done. So you click on it, open file, and you click yes when the permission screen pop up, and you click next, I agree, and then you take what you want, all the plugins, all the tools, or you can take some of what you need only, but we're gonna take everything for now. And you choose your destination folder. It can be anywhere you want in your hard drive, and you click install. It shouldn't take too long. Great. Now it asks you if you want to run code blocks. Now you click yes. Then you probably find this one pop up. You just click OK. Now what we're gonna do is verify the compiler and the debugger destination path. How to do this? You just go to this menu up here and click settings, and we go with compiler first. And now you go to the top where it says toolchain executable, and you select the compiler here. It should be GNU GCC compiler, either one of those, and I wanna pick this one. Now what you write here is what gives you here in the shortcut. It is C program files code blocks. For example, if you put yours in E or D, should change that here. But anyways, for me it has this one. You just copy and paste or nothing. And then you add the backslash and you add main GW. Now, before you click OK, you copy this. I'm gonna tell you why. And you click OK after you copied it. Now, after you copied that one that I told you to copy, so I wrote it here, you also add a backslash gdb.exe, and you copy that again, because we're gonna need it for the debugger. Now finally you just go to the settings again and click debugger, and now you expand this one if it's not. It's called gdb/cdb debugger, and click default, and here in the executable path you write down this. Now you click OK, and That's everything for today. It's easy, and I wish you good coding, and I see you in the next video.